Well, hello sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and today's the always exciting and yet dreadful moving day. So, like you've seen before, packing up, storing everything, and hitting the road. Now, initially I thought a cool idea of, hey, going west to Kingman from Williams, Arizona, instead of taking the I-40, which is partially along the old Route 66, let me head up and go up a little north on 66 and come down to Kingman, and that'd be exciting. But I thought, you know what? Not in the RV. I was thinking about making it a 2-day trip, but I'm gonna get out to Kingman, stay overnight there, probably at the Cracker Barrel, and get groceries and some other things tomorrow. I've got a planned pickup, and then tomorrow, late afternoon, early evening, be in my property west of Kingman. So today's moving day. Besides packing up, loading up, got to go to the Loves, dump tanks, get water, get propane, basically get all prepared for going out to my property for 2 weeks. I've been here exactly 14 days in the Kaibab National Forest. It's been beautiful. It's been a little cold. Days are beautiful, like 60s, 70s. Last night, when it got down to about 42 and I knew it was going to get lower to 35, I tapped out and put on my heater for about an hour before I went to bed. So I got it up to 60 degrees inside the RV and pretty much stayed there till I woke up this morning. Ninja's already inside, terrified we're gonna be moving. So she's under the driver's seat. She always knows when I don't let her out and I start getting all dressed that something's up. So it's about 15 degrees cooler in Kingman and where my property is than here. Pretty amazing, even though we're only talking about 100 miles west. But be nice to get out there. And let's hit the road. Try to give you a few bits and pieces of what I'm doing in speed mode, but you've already seen it. Put stuff away. Let's get going. So my plan is, after putting in the slide out to the RV, back up the VW from where it's at, way back out of the way, then back up the RV over toward the front of it after hooking up the trailer. And that should go well, I hope. Let's find out. I think it's gonna be saying goodbye to mountains for a while. And the majestic Ponderosa pines. And we'll be driving through them for a little bit, but once we get to Kingman, there's not a lot of trees. I think there are pockets and areas you could go, but we'll have to do a lot of exploring once we get there. So about another mile down this dirt road till I get to the paved road. And next thing you know, we'll be at Love's. All right, back at the Love's, filled up on propane in the RV in my 1 5-gallon tank. Water pressure here is still terrible, so I'm not gonna dump the black tank. I'll dump that in Kingman. And now I'm waiting for this guy in the RV with the tow trailer. And again, don't be this guy. Come here, get gas, do your stuff, and move. He's been here at least 15 minutes. Here I sit and wait to get water and gas. So here we are, going from Williams to Kingman. Got my front RV windshield wiped off. Got Ninja right here. She won't ride in the passenger seat on her bed. She won't ride up on the front dash like Penny from Van Life Plus channel, Matthew's cat will. She likes to ride on top of her litter box right next to me. So I put a blanket there, and about 111 mile drive. We've got about 88 miles to go, so a little over an hour. Got gas, took out my trash, and now I'm heading to just a random travel place, truck stop, the Flying J, right outside of Kingman, to dump my tanks. And we'll see. Pretty much my plan is hang out, probably stay at the Cracker Barrel at night, and tomorrow run a few errands. Depending on when I get there today, I might run some today. We'll see. And tomorrow at 3 p.m., I've got a pickup for all my Walmart groceries. I got a ton, because I know I'm going to be on my property for at least 2 weeks. And tomorrow night, we should be at my property. So, got a cup of coffee and just going to chill back for the ride there. All right, we're in Kingman. Just paid $10 to dump my tanks, and also rinsed out the Go Caddy that I wasn't able to rinse out before. Now I'm just waiting for another one of these guys. Pulls in, not pumping gas, sitting here blocking my way. I don't know why people do this. There's so much parking here. Anyway, we're gonna pump some gas and get on the road. We'll see where we go. So I decided to just head straight to my property. Then tomorrow I'll take the VW into town. So we're in Mojave County, and I'm taking historic Route 66 to get to my property. Just in time for a beautiful sunset. So there's a good paved road over there to the west. My land runs along it up there just a bit. Got the RV here and the bug off. As you can see, beautiful views. But turns out I have a neighbor, and he doesn't like neighbors. But the road he's been using right there is like right across my property. But I told him that's okay, and he offered to buy it. So who knows? Maybe I'll sell. And there's Ninja. And look for another lot. But so far so good. I gotta get the slide out, and my propane tank hooked up, and water over on the side. Well, it is the next day, and I wanted to give you a full, bright daylight view. That's looking to the west. Pretty much right behind the RV where my bedroom sits is the beautiful sunrise. The beautiful sunset views. That's looking to the north. Let me get a little bit better here. And over here west is Kingman, and I could just make out the city lights in the distance. It is beautiful. And then, of course, as luck would have it, I have one neighbor. I met him yesterday, and I'll discuss that in a later video. But here we go. So thanks for watching. Ninja and I greatly appreciate it. If you enjoyed this, smash that thumbs up button. And we'd love to have you subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Be positive, be nice, be active.